And it's snowing. It is snowing. Wow. Good morning. I have my breakfast sandwich and I made some egg whites with a little bit of purple onion, grilled and sauteed with spinach, turkey pastrami, and a little bit of honey smoked turkey, and Swiss cheese. And then these thin, they're called everything bagels. I get them from Whole Foods, but they're super thin and they're super good. Got my tea and my vitamins because flu season is real. And I'm waking up feeling just a tad bit sicky. I don't know if it's my sinuses. I'm thinking my sinuses because I'm getting that frontal head pressure. Since living back east, I struggle with my sinuses a lot. But then again, when I was in California, I felt like it was bothering me too. So I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to try to eat something and take my vitamins because I'm just trying to knock out whatever is trying to come upon me. So many of my friends, people are just getting the flu. It is so crazy. So trying to stay well. Take your vitamins, drink your vitamin C, or take your vitamin C. Like these are vitamin C chewables that I take because I really don't drink too much orange juice, only when I make my smoothies because it has a lot of acid in it. So just don't drink a lot of orange juice. But these are 500 milligrams a piece, so I take 3 of them, making 1500 milligrams of vitamin C. So gonna get ready to eat this and I'll check back in later. Getting ready to blend my smoothie. I should have recorded step by step, but I forgot. But this is my favorite yogurt and I buy these at Whole Foods and they're just super healthy, like no added sugar or anything like that. And then I love to use pineapple orange juice or mango orange juice. It's really good too. And then I put spinach, berries, coconut, bananas, and the yogurt, and that is it. And I'm getting ready to blend it. Normally I would use chia seeds or this women's protein powder that I get from Trader Joe's that's really good and vanilla flavor. But I ran out of that, so I do have this one, but I'm not going to use it. I brought 2, but the other one, the vanilla one, I used it already. So I'm going to try this one the next time I want a chocolate smoothie using almond milk. But like I said, I'm feeling a little bit sick, so I needed a lot of vitamin C, so I wanted to use the pineapple mango orange juice. So making spaghetti. I made these before, and I think last time I didn't let them get soft enough, so this time I'm going to definitely let them cook for longer. And I put garlic at the bottom of the pan, just infuse it with flavor. But I see Melissa Flores making this. I've seen her make it twice, and every time I'm like, gosh, that looks so good. I was like, you know, I'm going to try it again, even though my daughter did not care for the zucchini in place of pasta last time. So what I'm going to do is use this gluten-free spaghetti pasta for her. And we're not vegetarians. We're not vegan. So I'm using this turkey ground meat. It's turkey patties, but it'll all crumble in the pan. And I love this brand because it's no antibiotics ever, no added hormones, and the animals in which the meat came from was on a vegetarian diet. And it just tastes so good to me. It tastes so fresh, so much better than any other ones that I've tried. And I tried them from Whole Foods, from Trader Joe's. Actually, no, I take that back. There is one that I do like at Trader Joe's, and there's one that I really like at Whole Foods, but they're just a lot on the pricier side, if you know what I mean. So I found these in one of our local markets, and this is a brand, the only brand that I will buy from them that says from farm to family. I feel fine with it. It tastes so good to me. It's very comparable to the one I would get at Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. Then I'm using the spaghetti sauce that I picked up from Wegmans. Curious to try this one. I haven't had spaghetti in so long. I feel like I'm craving it. And when I was watching her vlog the other day, I was like, oh, that looks good. So I'm just gonna try to let them get really soft this time. And I will check back in. Turkey meat coming along nicely. Y'all, putting this garlic in the pan, just letting it infuse the little bit of oil that you need, it just takes it up a notch. This garlic is giving the meat so much flavor. And I'm actually, in the end, just going to eat both of these pieces of garlic, because garlic builds up your immune system, if you didn't know. And I'm trying to fight off this flu, sinuses, whatever it is. So, yep, I'm just going to eat the garlic just like that once everything is done. But look at that. It really helps build up your immune system. So I'm going to do it, but the meat tastes so good. I'm getting ready to add the sauce, and it looks like their noodles are coming along pretty well. So yeah, almost done. Now I'm just going to let the spices simmer and marinate and become one. Looks so super delicious. I'm getting ready to enjoy this. Oh, and that's just Italian cheese that's on the top. Like I said, I'm not vegan and I'm not vegetarian, but I'm getting ready to go in on this later. So I'm getting ready to have some cold and comfort tea. I actually picked that up from Burlington. Really like it a lot. And I'm gonna have some honey and caffeine, and ooh, actually I'm going to also put a little bit of this Japanese whiskey. It's really strong. My husband got it from somewhere, but I only can drink it with tea. I only drink it when I want like a hot toddy, and a little goes a long way. Like, this stuff is super strong, but hot toddies work. They definitely help, and I'll probably put a little bit of lemon in there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna add some of that to my tea.